talking finances and investing and what do we do in this crazy world that we're in. So, of course, we bring in Eric from SBC. Silver Investor Report, what's in it?
Okay, so this is definitely one of the most popular reports that we have. So this is going to be updated to show not only the history of silver and all the things that we've seen happen since the COVID-19 pandemic, but also the push that happened that was a direct result of like the Reddit crowd. There's a lot of information in there. And then along with that, we also have some good recommendations for different types of product placement for people that want to get involved in either bullion or coin or something of that nature. We put the most popular products on there and how they can obtain those products.
So we've talked before quite a bit about precious metals, platinum, gold, things of that nature. Why the interest in silver?
So silver is cheaper than gold. That's one big draw, is the fact that it's running at about at current price about $25 per the ounce with a little bit of change on top of that. There's definitely premiums on physical silver above and beyond the actual spot price due to the lack of availability of it. But a lot of people like it because they feel as though it can go to $100, $200 per ounce, and they can make humongous gains in percentage of their actual value. Versus gold, which is going to cost them over, closer to $1,800 per ounce right now. They just feel as though they can get a lot of bang for their buck in that arena. So they tend to have a lot more tolerance for risk as well, because silver is definitely more volatile metal. It's more fun to watch, if you would, but that steady growth for people that long term, gold's still going to be, my favorite product.
But when you look at this for the average investor, there's still room for growth in this world as well, so they can make an investment and still earn money. I mean, that's the goal.
Absolutely. And not only that, they can get involved at, levels that aren't going to have to be, hundreds of thousands of dollars to get a pretty good portion of silver in their portfolio. So it's definitely a really good metal for people that just want to have a nice hedge against not only the inflation, but also give them somewhere better than cash to hold their metal. And I've got so many people coming in right now going, I've got all this cash and I don't want to hold cash because I know inflation's going to eat it up. What do? I suggest silver.
So how do people get their hands on the report?
So we make it real simple. They can come into our Scottsdale office. It's right off of Raintree in the 101. You can also go ahead and give us a call at the office. Happy to get you with one of our advisors, and they'd send you out. The other one is you just go to our sbcgold.com, which is our website, and you can go ahead and get a digital copy sent to you. We have the same exact report built into an actual easy formatted digital interface that people can go, and they can go section by section, and it's laid out very nicely. Our crew did a really good job with it.
I know that you serve all over the country. You have clients all over the world or all over the country, but what about the local market? We've talked about this before. You've got to be proud of the fact that you've done such a great job serving this local market.
Yep, born and raised here. I absolutely love being a Scottsdale kid, and I love making sure that our Arizona clients are treated with just the same type of respect that I would want to be treated with. So, we very much like the fact that our local business, when they come walking in, that we get a chance to meet them face to face. So it's a nice perk of the job.
I appreciate you coming down.
Thank you very much.
Make the appointment. Again, it's a local company. You can walk into their office. Local company serving the local community. It's just one more bonus of dealing with this company, so make the appointment.